Owning a car often feels like a rite of passage, a symbol of freedom and independence. But let's take a moment to peel back the layers and really examine the true cost of car ownership. It's not just about the sticker price on that shiny new vehicle. First, there's the purchase price. Sure, you might find a great deal, but don't forget about sales tax, registration fees, and dealership add-ons that can easily inflate that initial cost. Then, there's financing. If you're taking out a loan, interest rates can add hundreds, if not thousands, to the total price over the life of the loan. Now, let's talk about insurance. Depending on your driving record, location, and the type of car you drive, insurance can range from a minor annoyance to a significant monthly expense. And don't forget about the deductible. If you get into an accident, that's an extra cost you'll have to cover before your insurance kicks in. Maintenance is another hidden cost. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and unexpected repairs can add up quickly. A well-maintained car might run smoothly, but the moment something goes wrong, like a blown transmission or a dead battery, you could be looking at a hefty bill. Fuel is another major expense. With fluctuating gas prices, it's hard to predict how much you'll spend each month. And if you're driving a gas guzzler, you might find yourself at the pump more often than you'd like. Let's not overlook depreciation. The moment you drive your new car off the lot, it loses value. In fact, cars can lose up to 20% of their value in the first year alone. If you plan to sell or trade it in later, that's a significant hit to your investment. Parking fees and tolls can also sneak up on you. Depending on where you live, finding a spot can be a challenge, and if you're in a city, those parking meters can drain your wallet faster than you think. Tolls can add up, especially if you're commuting regularly. And what about the environmental cost? Cars contribute to air pollution and climate change. While electric vehicles are becoming more popular, the initial investment can be steep, and charging infrastructure isn't always convenient. Finally, let's consider the opportunity cost. The money you spend on car payments, insurance, and maintenance could be invested elsewhere, like in a home, retirement, or even travel. So, while owning a car can offer convenience and mobility, it's essential to weigh these costs against the benefits. Sometimes, public transportation, biking, or car-sharing services can be more economical and environmentally friendly alternatives. It's all about finding the right balance for your lifestyle and budget.